So we are staying in an interior cabin on the Enchantment of the Seas during our transatlantic in 2023 November. And now we will show you our room. This is a short room tour because this is a small room. So I'm not really sure, but I think this room is around 20 square meters, and we are staying in a double room. So basically our room has no windows, one bed, a makeup desk, a seating area right here, and we have a wardrobe. Now I will show you the room from the front of the camera. So when you enter the room, we have a wardrobe right here on the left. It looks small, but it actually took all our suitcase, and we brought a lot of clothes, as you can see. And there is this upper shelf where you can put some stuff as well. Now I will show you the room. So here is the bed. It's really comfortable, and we have two bedside tables and bed lamps. Here is Gökay's corner in the room. He watches TV shows from his phone there, and we have a TV. There are some channels that shows movies as well. We have a full-length mirror, and this is the makeup table, which I really admire because the lighting is really good. You can do very beautiful makeup, and the drawers are very big, so it takes some of our clothes as well. Here we have the small shelves where I put all my cosmetics, and we have plugs of Europe and plugs of sorry, these are the United States ones, and this is the European plugs here. Let me show you the bathroom as well. The bathroom, we have a shower, the toilet, and here is the vanity. There is also some space here to put the toothbrush, and the towels can be hung here after the shower. The really useful thing here is this washcloth rope, because they have the ventilation here, so you can dry up your clothes if you want to wash them, or you can dry your bikinis. And that's it. I think we paid a really good price for this room, so we're not complaining. And since you do not spend much time in the room when you're on the cruise, there are so many things to do. So that's why we always choose the cheapest interior cabin, because we're not also smoking. We don't need a balcony. And nowadays it's actually very shaky, so a window is not a blessing actually, so because there are a lot of waves. The interior cabin is cozy, and actually it's good for us.